Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create calendar in Microsoft Word. So for us to get this done, the first thing that you are going to do, if say for example you are a beginner, I want you to head over to File right here, and you're going to go ahead and click on More Templates right here. And then just go ahead and type calendar. So you have there one as an example down below. But if I click the calendar here, you should be seeing different calendar options. So yeah, if you want to use any of those, feel free to do that one. But if say for example you want to start from the scratch, let's go ahead and get this done. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically add a 7 by 7. We can go ahead and add more later on. And the first thing that we are going to do is assign the row height. So let's go ahead and increase this one. Just go ahead and try to check which you think would be better for you. And then here at the top, I'm just going to make changes here. I'm going to click merge cells, and let's go ahead and type here. Say for example, this is for January. Let's say 2025. I can go ahead and do that one over there, make this big, and we can put this, click table layout. Let's put this at the top. Let's say for example, or maybe, yeah, right here. And then we can even make this a very big one, and yeah, design it however you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click this one right here, and then click this. There you go. And then assign a color later on. We're going to do that. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this one because this is going to be the days. So if, say, for example, this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. All right, there you go. So now that we have written, and then we're going to go over to the days as well. So let's just go ahead and add, say, for example, all right, there you go. So now that I have created the days here, and let's see, our calendar is looking good right now. You can go ahead and make some adjustment. For example, here, let's go over and put this in the middle. So I'm gonna click this. All right, there you go. And then here, if you're not fond of the numbers being here, you can go ahead and place that somewhere else. You can also make that bigger if you want to. Just go ahead and make sure that you like what you're seeing. Now, for the colors, we can add some magic here. Click table design, click this one, and there are actually a lot of options that we can do here. Say for example, if I want to use this one, I can definitely do that. And if say for example there are holidays, you can also go ahead and change the or add a fill color to that particular day. So yeah, just go ahead and click this one right here. And then let's say for example this is gonna be red. You can definitely do that. Yeah, basically this is how you are going to create your own calendar in Microsoft Word.